Hello, friends. I hope you and your families are doing good. I welcome you all to this new series of Shadi Samriddhi Guidance SSG, that is, Study SFM with me, Priyanka Purohit. If you like the content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Let us start with question number 10 of Forex. This question is again based on interest rate parity theory, and it will test your concepts of premium or discount, expected forward rate using interest rate parity theory, and you have to again find out the forward premium or discount. So let us read the question first. If the present interest rate for 6 month borrowing in India is 9% per annum. See, the question is stating that for 6 months borrowing in India is 9% per annum. So this 9% is for per annum. You have to convert it to 6 months. This point you have to remember. And the next is, and the corresponding rate in USA is 2% per annum. For per annum, it's 2%. And the US dollar is selling in India at 64.50 per dollar. It means that this quote is given as direct quote. And for that, we have to find out, will US dollar will be at premium or at discount in Indian forward market. Also find out the expected forward 6 month rate for US dollar in India, and also we have to find out the rate of forward premium or discount. Now let us start with question number 10. It states that interest rates in rupee terms and in dollar, that is in India and USA, are 9% per annum, and here it's 2% per annum. And also the spot rate is given to us. It's 64.50 per dollar. So as you can see, interest rate is much higher than in India than in USA. It means that as per interest rate parity theory, which states that the difference between the interest rates will be equal to the difference between the forward rate and the spot rate. This is the interest rate parity theory. Also, as per interest rate parity theory, it states that this loss which US dollar is facing because the interest rate is lower, this loss will be compensated, as in forward market this currency will be trading at premium and vice versa. So this difference we can understand that on per annum basis, if we go on per annum, this difference of 9 minus 2, that is 7%, will be more or less or approximately equal to the difference between the forward rate, which we will compute in later part, and the spot rate which is given, that is 64.50. So since here, as per in terms of percentage form or in the form of interest rate, since USA is at a losing part, so it will be trading at premium in forward market. So we can write answer to the first part, that US will be quoted at premium in India as interest rate of US is lower, or you can say as interest rate of is higher in India. So as per interest rate parity theory, loss in terms of interest rate is compensated by premium in or profit in forward or spot rate. Now we will look into the next question which is being asked. We have to find out the expected 6-month forward rate for US dollar in India. So we have to find out the forward rate, and this quote which has been given is rupee per dollar. So it is a direct quote for a citizen of India, and we will take our example as whenever question is silent that you have not been mentioned whether you are citizen of which country, you have to assume the quote which is given in the question will be as direct quote only, and you have to proceed it like that only. So the formula for direct quote as per interest rate parity theory will be 1 plus interest rate in domestic market divided by 1 plus interest rate in foreign currency will be equal to forward upon spot. So we will put the values here. These interest rate are for per annum basis, but we have to calculate it for 6 months. So for 9% is for per annum, so it will be half of it, that is 1.045%, and here it's 2% per annum, so it will be 1.01.
And the second reason is that the requirement
Forward
of
we have to find out,
XYZ
and the spot
Bank
is given
is to
to us, which
purchase
is
rupees 25 million.
64.50.
So here the
Now we
asset
will
is
solve this and
rupees,
get the
and so
value
the
of
base
forward,
currency will be rupees, and hence the exchange rate will be pound per rupee.
which comes to rupee 66.735 per dollar. As you can see, the spot rate was 64.50, but now the forward rate is 66.735. So this, our first answer is correct, that US will be quoted at premium. Earlier we have to pay only 64.5 rupees for $1, but now since US dollar is trading at premium, now for $1 we have to pay more money, that is 66.735. Hence we can state that US dollar is trading at premium. And lastly, the third part, which states that we have to find out the rate of premium or discount on foreign currency. For foreign currency in this question is dollar, so it is trading at premium only. So our formula for foreign currency, since it is foreign currency, it will start with F only, that is forward minus spot upon spot into 100 into 12 by 9. So now we will put the values, that is 66.735 minus 64.50 divided by 64.50 into 100 into 12 upon 6. So that will give us the final answer, which comes to 6.93%. So this 6.93% is approximately equal to the initial value which we have computed, which was 9 minus 2, 7. And here the difference between the forward rate and the spot rate is 6.94%, which is approximately equal to this interest differential.
Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. I hope your concept got cleared. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.